Hi, this is Alexander from Anubex, and today I wanted to take a deeper look in what we call integration topics here at Anubex. The conversion and transformation we do during a migration project are typically fully automated. However, there are a certain amount of components and services that support a mainframe application. So they typically have the following characteristics. They differ from customer to customer, and the transformation can never be fully automated or semi-automated at best. So the integration topics are a collection of points where the migrated application integrates with the components of the customer's IT infrastructure landscape to a small or larger degree. The job scheduler that manages the complete batch processing, and we use tools such as Atomic or TWS. Next, there is the creation of the document that needs to be printed by the migrated application. Moving on, we have the configuration of the access and security of the application. And last but not least, there's the interface of the application that needs to integrate with the customer's infrastructure. Due to the nature of these topics, they're always very specific to the customer's environment. However, the way we handle them is always very similar. So the design and implementation of these integration topics happens in close collaboration with Anubex and the experts on the customer side or integrator side. The work really much depends on the technology chosen and the skill set required. If you want to learn more on our in-depth migration solutions, please head up to our website or reach out to one of us and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you very much for watching.